everyone, let's not waste a second and jump right into the tutorial. Grab a bowl and 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt and a cup of water. Before you get all excited, we're making Christmas decor. This stuff is not edible. Okay, so mix the ingredients either by hand or use your kitchen machine until it has the rich texture of Christmas cookie dough. If you use plain white flour, the dough will be white, but if you want, you can use food colorant or spices to bring in a pop of color. In any case, I suggest to use gloves if you don't want to dye your hands as well. My colors are the normal flour white version. This is matcha powder, turmeric, cocoa powder and cinnamon. Roll out your dough like you would do with cookie dough, and if you cover it with plastic wrap beforehand, it won't stick to your rolling pin. Use cookie cutters of your choice and cut out your brand new homemade Christmas tree ornaments. You can also mix colors like I did here for the sheep and the hedgehog. You can also gather the scraps and roll them out to make more cookies if you want. Once you're happy with what you've got, transfer your Play-Doh cookies to your baking sheets. Use the handle of a brush or a pen or whatever you have at hand and poke a small hole into your cookies. This is so that you can hang them on a tree later. Bake your cookies in 2 steps. First at about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour or 2. Then increase the heat to 120 to 150 degrees Celsius. That makes roughly 250 degrees to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake them for another 1 to 2 hours. To protect your cookies and make them last longer, cover them with 1 to 2 coats of clear acrylic paint. Let them dry, add some ribbon, and you're done.